storm has caught on to a little bit better environment. It's kind of hard to tell what it will do. Every trillion chasers are about on it, so, you know, keep that with you. There are little bitty bits in your, you know, Worthington Sibley folder, but this one's kind of fully developed. I think people are just kind of waiting it out. 'Cause it's kind of like a might as well moment, right? You know. So there is a nice, very broad, weak mezzo with these little spinny things. You're not going to get much of anything. Your best shot is going to be your best shot will be like a land spout or like a very uncondensed bird fart, but you're not going to get anything right now. I'm looking at a radar right now. It wants to do something. Look at that feeder band there. So we're hanging up here, and then there's that new. Okay. This is. Look at this thing trying to produce. I don't know if it's doing a mess of handoff or what it's doing, but look at this feeder band right here. I said it wasn't trying to touch down, now it's trying to touch down. Look at that whole thing rotate. It wants to produce something. The whole thing is rotating. That's on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Possible tornado. Look at that. If that drops, that's gonna drop something huge. And it might already be on the ground. Look at that. A lot of inflow kicking up from it. Holy. Oh my gosh, that's producing. We have a funnel on the, we have a funnel. We have a producing funnel. We have a funnel on the, we have a funnel. We have a producing funnel. Look at that, tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Alright guys, give me one sec. Here, you get a good view of that right now. I'm like shaking in my boots right now. What an incredible beast. Oh, it's trying to produce again. Trying to produce again. Trying to produce again. Tornado! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Wow! Wow! Oh, what an incredible tornado! Wow! What an incredible tornado! What an incredible tornado. Wow. Oh. Wow, what a bowl. It's a bowl tornado. Look at that bowl. Wow. Insanity. It's trying to produce again. Look at that. Trying to produce again. An insane tornado. Hopefully misses that house. Oh wow, wow. Starting to touch down again. Insane storm. I don't know if it's on the ground still or not, or trying to produce, but This has made my day. Such an incredible tornado. Look at it wrap around. I need to piss really bad, and I have noticed I just can't. Not right now. It's on the ground. Bro, 4 miles to go to Minnesota 22 South. Once I get to 22 South, I get it produces, it's gonna produce back there. Keep an eye on that.